and welcome to another lawnfawn video. Today we are quickly introducing our brand new magnetic storage cards. I love these because they're nice and sturdy, they've got a super cute print on the back, and they make organizing nice, fun, and simple. They come in both an 8.5 by 11 size and a 5 by 7 size. First, we're going to take a look at the 5 by 7 size, and you'll see that in this pack there are 10 5 by 7 cards, and on the back there's this super cute turquoise and white polka dotted pattern, and then on the front there's a nice strong magnet that's perfect for holding your dies and organizing them. You'll notice when you pull them out of the package that there's these little wax paper sheets in between each one of them. You can remove those, and I actually like to keep those and reuse them when I'm putting tape runner on things so I don't get tape runner on the mat surface I'm working on. So here you'll see that there are 10 different cards in there, and of course that cute pattern on the back. So now we're going to take a look at the 8.5 by 11. So there are 5 sheets in this pack of the 8.5 by 11 size, and of course we've got the magnet on the front and that cute polka dot on the back. These also have those protector sheets which you can put aside and use for something later. And then here you can see we've got the 5 cards at 8.5 by 11 and the cute print on the back. Now it's time for me to admit something. I'm a highly disorganized person. I don't know why, but I'm super messy. And complicated organizational systems, I can never follow through with them. I start off with them and then it all just goes crazy. So I started storing my dies this way actually a long time ago. And now by having these magnet cards, it's a much nicer and cuter way to do it. And the way I like to store my dies is like with like. So I'll take all my border dies and put them all together so I can look and see, which grass do I want? Oh no, actually, I want to use those trees instead. I also like to do things like take my scallop treat box and then put all my house add-ons with it. So when I go to make a box, I can go, oh my gosh, that's right, my mom loves dogs. I'm going to make her the doghouse one. Here's another version where I've taken all of my tags and put them together so that the next time I'm going to make a tag, I can look through and say, oh, that little heart would be perfect for my box. I'm going to pick that one. And the reason that I love this system so much is that it helps me remember what dies I actually have. And it helps me to use what I have too, because I love seeing them all together. I love seeing all of those tags there so I can pick my favorite. I love seeing all my border dies because it helps me see which ones work nicely together. And I love being able to remember, oh yeah, I have that cute decoration for that treat box. That would be perfect for the person I need to send this for. I thought it would be fun to organize one of my new dies with you guys. So this is the Flippin Awesome Die, which has the add-on and the gift card pocket that you can use with it or not. And I legitimately just had these all thrown in a bag together. And so I thought it'd be nice to actually organize them so I could see what I have. So I've got my Flippin Awesome main piece, and then I'm putting all of my decorative elements above it. So here what I really love is that I can look at my 2 decorative squares, like the scalloped one or the stitched one, and decide if I'm going to use those or not. I have my cute banner and then all of my pull tabs, and I can see everything all together at once so I can decide, am I going to use the add-on or not in this card? Or, oh yeah, that's right, I want to make this into a gift card holder. I'm going to use that gift card pocket. So I really, really love being able to organize these really easily. So the next question is, well, what do I do with these now, right? So what I do is I take all of my magnet sheets and I put them in a bin. So this is just one of those shoe holder bin type things you can buy very inexpensively at a place like Target. And so you can just put them all in here. And what I like to do is flip through them just like this. So I'll put like with like. You could even make a little divider that said interactive dies or stackables dies or treat box dies, and then flip through each one depending on what you're looking. So it'd be really fun to just flip through, look through all my interactive and decide what I was going to make, or look through all my decorative borders and decide from there. And I love being able to flip through this. It's a really easy system because I can just pull them off, create what I'm going to create, pop them back on, and just throw them right back in that box. Now, a way to be even a little more organized than this simple method is to add some washi tape to the tops of your magnet cards. So in this case, I got some cute, pretty orange washi tape. It's a fun way to use up the washi tape in your stash too. And I'm just going to lay that right over the top of the magnet card. You could even have it go over the edge as well so that you would see the color from the top of your box. So I'm going to lay that washi tape on there and just trim off any of the excess. Then I can take a Sharpie and label what's in there. So I'll label this one tags, and now I know exactly what's there. So as I'm flipping through quickly, I can see exactly what I want to use. Next, we have the smaller 5x7 size, and these are great for coordinating dies and also for smaller dies. The other really great thing about it is that they take up less space. So if you don't have that much space in your craft area for your dies, you can have these 5x7 sheets and store them all in a bin. I like to use these in the same exact method where I'm storing like with like my banners with my banners, or all of my reveal wheel windows together so I can decide, what kind of reveal wheel am I going to make today? When it comes to storing this smaller size, I also like to put them in a little bin. This is another one that I got at Target. It was in a cute color, so I thought it was perfect. And you can put them in there and once again, just flip through them all. So I just have a few in here, but you could see how you could fill up that bin. You can also put them in this way. I personally like this way best because I find it really easy to flip through them like that. And you can see in one small bin, you could fit a ton of these cards, and it's got the little handles so you can easily move it. I just love having the two size options depending on what size dies I'm working with or what size bin I need to fit them in. So here you can see those 5x7 sheets with coordinating dies. So here's the Mice on Ice stamp set, which is one of my favorites from the new release. I've got my coordinating dies and now my stamp set, and the other really great thing about the 5x7 is it fits in most of those stamp pockets that are out on the market today. So you can just pop that right in and have everything nice and organized. The other thing I wanted to show you guys is how strong these magnets are. I'm shaking them pretty hard here. The dies are not coming off. They're super, super sturdy. They just feel really nice in your hands. And I love that all those little tiny dies aren't popping off the magnetic storage cards. I'd love to hear what you guys think about these magnetic storage cards. I'd also love to hear, are you guys organized or are you disorganized like me? I'd also love to hear how you store your dies and what you think about the idea of storing like with like on these big magnet sheets. So make sure to share in the comments below. If you'd like to see more videos, you can click here. You can also click to subscribe or click to learn more over at lawnfawn.com. Thank you guys so much for watching today, and I hope you have an absolutely amazing day. Bye!